Have you been wondering why is your system slow? Or you've been confused why is your system not working very fast? Here is a secret and a trick today. Last video we did a trick, but many people complained that they could not see the screen, the recording very well. Hence, we are repeating the video this week. Okay, so the first thing for you to do, you use your Windows R, then you type your ms config. Please, this is the key to type the word you type ms config. Then you click on OK. Click on OK, then you wait a moment, the ms config comes up, then when you go straight to the boots, go to the boots, then you see the various operating systems installed on your computer, and this works for Windows. So I go to I click on advanced option. In clicking advanced option, by default, you see this number of processors unchecked. If you've not done this before, and I remember I told you I did it last week on my system, I made my system to be faster. So when you see number of processors unchecked, please kindly check it. Then click on the drop down to some. The number of processors might be more than four, but just select the highest number of processor. You select the highest number of processor, then you click OK. You click on apply, then you finalize by clicking OK. You will be asked if you want to restart the system now or you want to exit without restarting. I am exiting without restarting because I haven't actually done any change. Remember, I told you I did this last week. So try it on your own end. I believe now the screen will be visible, more visible. Try it on your own end and comment if it worked for you. Or if it did not work for you, you can also comment it so that I will tell you the next trick to apply for your system to be faster. The next video, I will expose another trick for you to make your system faster. Remember, this is Hamplus Technologies International, also known as Hamplus Hub. Do well to follow us, do well to comment, to subscribe, and also share the video. Thank you very much.